During the early part of my long career in chemical engineering, I was involved in running an operation that filled 1 million bottles every week, plastic bottles with sodium hypochlorite and detergent solution that was a well-known domestic bleach product. And that got me thinking that actually I was having a pretty big impact on society, sending out these plastic bottles full of a fairly aggressive chemical. So I decided to do something a lot more environmental and sustainable. After several smaller startups, I got involved with starting up a business which was using the waste fraction from the large scale end-of-life shredding of motor vehicles, mostly cars in the UK. And after the metal had been removed by the big shredding plant, me and my partners designed, built and implemented a process plant that could handle over 80,000 tonnes per annum of a material called car shredder residue. That is all the non-metallic fractions in a shredded up motor vehicle. Textiles, foams, rubbers, wood, glass, plastics, tyres, etc, etc. Nobody else had really separated such a complex mixture of materials before, so we had to go back to first principles and find technologies that we could apply from other industries like agricultural and mining industry, and put together a process that separated out the main value adding fractions. There was stone for aggregates and glass and fluffs and textiles and wood for a solid recovered fuel product. And most importantly, we extracted about 30,000 tonnes of mixed rigid plastics. We took those plastics to another plant that we also had to design, build, install and keep on developing over many years, and we made recycled polymer from car shredder residue, and we were able to produce polymer pellets that had reached end of waste and feed those back into the European polymer industry to manufacture, in some cases, brand new parts to put back in cars. We hadn't really known it, but I think we kind of started off a circular economy business in the resource recovery of materials from waste.